Hello, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to do different kinds of slides as we saw in the intro. So y'all already know motion tile on everything. I'm going to mirror the edges because why not? And of course motion blur on everything as always. So I'm going to start with a slide down. So somewhere around the middle of your clip, you're going to want to press P on your keyboard to open up the position panel keyframe thing. And where you're going to want to put the keyframe is like right where it ends, but you have to see how you move it. So I just move it a frame before that. We're just going to move it down halfway, where are these little squares, and just move it right at the end. And then on the next clip, again somewhere in the middle, put a keyframe, and at the beginning you're gonna want to bring it up this time. So if you're going down, you're gonna want to put the second keyframe up, if that makes sense. Easy ease them. Look at that, now I can show you guys this. I changed the way that I record my videos. Anyway, speed graph should be enabled, and you just bring these all to the right. And then on the ones on the second clip, bring them all to the left. And we have that. Now I'm gonna make it go up, which is literally the same thing but in the opposite direction. So we're gonna bring the keyframe back up, bring it to the end, keyframe in the middle, and this time bring it down. The thing with transitions, it's always the opposite, if you guys get what I mean. I'm so bad at explaining, I'm sorry. Anyway, graph editor on the first clip and bring it all to the right. And on the second clip, all to the left. And we have, there you go. Now let's say you want it to go to the right. You just move it the other way around. Now if you're doing them the way that I'm doing them, so it goes like up and down, and then you want it to go to the right, I recommend you put another keyframe right after that one. So let me show you guys what I mean. So if I move it this way, you see this little line, it's curved. You don't want it to be that way. So the way to prevent that from happening, you add another keyframe afterwards, and then when I move it, as you can see, it's a straight line. Again, bring it into the middle, bring it to the end, and then to the middle of this. Gonna want to bring it to the left since I brought it to the right on the other one. Okay, that one's a bit too quick, so I'm just gonna move it forward a bit. Now I want to show you guys the one to the left as well, so let me show you how I'm gonna do that. Bring it to the left once more, bring it to the end here, and then right here at the beginning, because it loops, because I have my work area here, I'm just gonna bring this one over to the right since I brought that last clip to the left, and bring all of this to the left. So now it looks like that. There you go, we have a nice little loop here. That'll be all for today's video. Hope I did a decent job explaining, and I'll see you guys in the next one.